Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw another Pokemon. This one is TORCHIK. So let's just start by drawing his oval head, starting at the top. Let's draw the left side here first. And continue on to the other side. So at the top, where I left the lines separate, we'll go ahead and draw the crest that's on top of his head. So let's just start first by going back from the end of the line here, go up, and then back down. And then we're gonna go back here to cross that line for the bigger feather and back. And then finally another feather that goes this way. So behind these feathers is another set of 3 feathers that are larger. So starting at this point right here, we're going to go up for the first and back. Same thing, we're going to come back a little bit here first. Draw another feather larger. And finally, one more this way. And back. So then in the end, this part here, the bigger feathers will be yellow, and the rest of his head and these 3 feathers will be orange. So let's draw the beak. Start at the top here. We're going to go down. Actually, let's draw the top of the beak with a curve first, and then it's going to curve out to the corner, and we're going to round that off. We'll do the same here on this side, but it'll be a little bit longer because it's closer, like that. And then we're going to go down in a curve this way, and curve out the bottom, and then go back up. Next, we'll draw the opening of the mouth, and we'll draw a gentle curve going across. And then now we can give the bottom beak some thickness and just indicate the tongue with a curve. And let's blacken the back of the mouth here. Alright, so we've got his right eye over here, and it'll just be a shallow oval and a white highlight there on the upper right. Let's blacken the eye. And then there'll be another eye right here, and this will be an egg shape. And let's put that oval highlight on the upper right and blacken the rest of the eye. Alright, so next let's go ahead and draw the one wing here, his right wing. And this is just going to be jagged edged, kind of show that there are feathers. The overall shape of this right wing will be oval, but with jagged edges. So let's just go back and forth, kind of just keeping track of the overall oval shape, and then head back. So right here will be the upper part of his feathers, and over here will be the upper part of his feathers over here, which are going to sweep off to the right of the face. So we'll start by going down with a curve, start doing our zigzag, kind of varying the size of these feathers and sometimes overlapping like that. And here, and go back. So you may want to experiment with this part right here. You may want to draw this in pencil first before committing to pen, but it doesn't really matter, just make it fairly random. So here we go, let's draw the body, and this is just a curve that goes down under here and goes back to the wing here. We're gonna end here with the tail, which is somewhat pointed. So let's start here, go down, start heading back, and here's the tail, and just bring it back as a point. let's draw the right leg. From here, we'll just draw a couple parallel lines. Alright, so then the back toe goes backwards here, down to a point, and then the bottom of the foot. And then let's go back up then to the top of the toe and back to the leg. So then he's got 3 toes in the front, so let's add 2 more toes. Coming off this line, just go out, parallel line, and then bring it to a point. And then this one may be a little bit smaller because it's hidden more. And let's draw his left leg next. From here, a couple lines to show the leg, and then let's draw the back toe. Again, it hooks at the bottom. Go forward at the hook there for the first toe, up, and then curve it down. So then the second toe will be behind it, down to the hook, go up and back. And finally, more of a side view then, is the third toe. That's pretty much it. I'm just gonna add a couple shadow lines. And that is pretty much it. I'm gonna just outline this now and darken some of the outer lines. So here I'm setting off the wings a little bit by outlining the distal parts of the feathers, which are right here, and kind of tapering these lines just to make it a little bit more dramatic. And same here with the crest of feathers up here. The outer feathers, I made the lines a little bit thicker towards the end. So not only are there changes in the line thickness here, but there's also variation in the line thickness. So like right here, it's a little bit thinner, but then it gets a little bit wider here. And same here with the toes. As I draw the legs, the proximal part of the leg right here is thicker, tapers down to where the toes are. So the variation in lines just makes the drawing more interesting. So anyway, this is TORCHIK, another Pokemon. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope you got something out of this. Please like, share, and subscribe if you did, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.